Welcome all. I, Lalitha Kumari from SRDAV Public School Pundag. Today we will see basics of Python based on class 9th 10th computer subject. Subject code is 165. So let us begin with introduction of Python. One of the most important aspect of computer field is to make program. A program is written in computer language like BASIC, C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Python is an object-oriented high-level language and freely available under the GNU. Python is easy to learn, simple to use, and powerful object-oriented programs. Its syntax are in English that helps a beginner or the programmer to focus on the logics. You must know about the developer of Python programming language. He is Guido van Rossum. In February 1991, story behind the name of Python is when Guido van Rossum began implementing Python, he was also reading the published script from Monty Python Flying Circus, a BBC comedy serial from 1970s. Van Rossum thought he needed a name that was short, unique, and slightly mysterious, so he decided to call the language Python. Now let us see why Python. There are many languages than why Python. Python because it's beginner friendly, versatile and flexible, most mature packages and libraries around. Syntax is very less, most popular in machine learning programming world. Python is also having very wide application areas like robotics, scientific purpose, search engine, YouTube, hardware testing, file sharing, GUI interface, 3D animation and many more. As we can see here, Python has been released in various versions over the years. Python first version was 0.1.0 and we shall discuss today's topic on version 3.8.3. Let us learn how to install Python in your PC. Download the latest version from the website www.python.org/download. After downloading, need to install it in your PC. To begin the process, click on Install Now option. In the next step, setup is in progress. It may take some time. When setup was successful, it means Python is installed in your system and ready to use. Click on Close button of this window and proceed further. This type of icon will appear in your system after installing Python successfully. Click on IDLE Python 3.8 icon to open Python editor. In Python, we have two modes, interactive mode and script mode, from where we can start writing our program. Let us see interactive mode. We type command in front of Python command prompt. Python interprets the given command and give output when enter key is pressed for that line. For example, here, after typing 10 plus 20, we pressed enter in order to get output. Next, in script mode, we need to open new file for writing program from the file menu after completing. Save the file and run it from the option Run module of Run menu. Can be used F5 to run program. Now come to very important part of programming language, which is tokens. This is also called lexical unit. The smallest unit in the program is termed as token. It can be categorized in 5 parts: identifiers, keywords, literal, punctuator, operator. Let us see one by one. Identifiers, they are fundamental building blocks of program. They are used to identify names of different elements of program like variable name, function name, etc. We must have to follow certain guidelines for creating identifiers, like an identifier is a sequence of letters either in lowercase or in uppercase, digits and underscore only as a special character. The first character of identifier must be a letter or underscore. It must not begin with digit. Identifier must not be a keyword, and it must not contain any special character other than underscore. Some valid identifiers names is given here. Now keywords. It is also called reserve words. These words used while writing program to get desired output. Keywords can be used as variable. Keywords cannot be used as variable name because they are reserved. We have 33 keywords in Python, all in a small letter except 3 variables true, false, none, whose first letter is in capital letter. Literals and constants. They are data items that never change their value during the execution of program. In Python, there are 4 types of literals. Integer literal, they are whole number. It may be positive or negative. Character literals, it refers to single character that is enclosed in single quote. Floating literals, they are for fractional number. They may be positive or negative. String literals, sequence of characters enclosed within pair of single or double quotes. Now let us see punctuators. They are used as mark or separator in a program. We have 9 punctuators, each having their own importance in program, as we can see here. Next is operator. They are tokens that is used for calculation. Operators, when applied on operand, form an expression. Operand is the value or variable on which calculation is performed. Operators can be classified as unary and binary. Unary is which only one operand is involved, and binary in which 2 operand is involved, like arithmetic operator, relational operator, assignment operator, etc. Let us see arithmetic operator in detail. They are used for mathematical calculation. Some operators are like plus is used for addition, minus is for subtraction, asterisk sign is for multiplication, slash is for division, percentage sign is for modulus, double slash is also called floor division or quotient, and double asterisk is used for exponent or power. This was all about tokens. Rest of the parts we will see in our next video.